2 more AGMs, Scars ZBX 18s, and 20 cubic foot box, 5 cubes in port, tar amps, 4 channel down here.
Okay. Have you metered it yet?
Now, this guy's over here, he's gonna help me meter it.
Okay.
I've just built it in the past probably month and a half.
Nice. Looks good, and you optimize your space all the way across, so it's a really big box. Yeah. How does it like the lows, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I typically go down about, it's tuned to 27.
Okay.
I probably don't go any lower than 20.
Okay.
But yeah.
All right.
So we'll go
Yes, sir.
25 or 35.
All right. Demo time. Dude, that likes the lows. You're right.
I'm overpowering it right now.
Do you know what it's peaking at?
No, I haven't done anything.
Nothing.
So,
Okay.
We got over here, my buddy's got someone around here at a meter.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna hook it up and see what we get.
Okay.
I wanted to go through the lanes, but
yeah,
this is the first time I've ever been here.
Yes, sir. Okay. And your name was Luke?
Yeah.
All right. Nice to meet you, Luke. Jacob. Thanks for the demo, man.
I should have swore you were JacobViral.
Yep, JacobViral. Yes, sir. I do a lot of cardio videos. JacobViral right here. Yeah.
I'm going to get some FI BTO 18s, the BTO 4s.
You'll have a lot more motor force with those.
Exactly.
And you might be able to even double.
Yeah. I might even go to a 12K.
Yep.
Those
awesome.
ZBX 18s.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it. Can I see the back one more time for a picture? And I appreciate the demo, Luke.
Awesome.
Nice to meet y'all. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.